Trying to leverage AI for stock trading, but unsure which platform actually qualifies as the best AI trading bot and delivers profitable signals? Trade Ideas and TrendSpider both use AI, but one is built to find your next profitable trade in real time, while the other is designed mostly to perfect your analysis. After months of thorough testing with real money, the difference in actionable output was undeniable between these. So, if you want an AI partner that generates clear entries, not just complex charts, you need to see this. Now, let's get straight into it. When you're looking for the best AI stock trading bot, you're choosing a system that'll either find you high probability trades in real time or just help you overanalyze missed opportunities. And Trade Ideas and TrendSpider are built for two very different types of traders. So let's start with Trade Ideas. This isn't just an analysis platform, this is an active trade discovery engine. It's built for the trader who doesn't want to study the market just by itself. He wants the AI to point directly to the best opportunities right here, right now. The magic here is in its proprietary AI named Holly, which scans the entire market in real time, ranking setups and firing alerts for you. So this is for the day trader or active swing trader who needs speed and clear actionable signals throughout the day. But don't just take my word for it. The feedback from traders using this AI stock trading bot tells the real story. I was digging through user experiences and I found one from an active trader that perfectly captures the trading ideas advantage. One user said that this AI based stock trading platform is the only scanner that truly uses real time data against a database for the same symbol, and it's become irreplaceable in his method of trading. Another trader noted that as a beginner trader, he discovered trade ideas from review sites and tried their test drive. And when he was interested and intrigued, he subscribed and has not since regretted it. He explained that it's helped him filter opportunities that he would have missed and it's improved his trading overall. So, yeah, that pretty much matches my own experience. It's about replacing this endless scrolling with more targeted AI driven alerts. Now, TrendSpider is a powerhouse for automated technical analysis. Its strength is in taking the manual labor out of charting. You draw a trend line once, and the AI applies it across all time frames. Its AI is focused on recognizing patterns, testing strategies, and automating your chart analysis. If your main goal is to build, backtest, and refine complex technical strategies with deep charting tools and different things that you can use, then TrendSpider has its place for that. I came this review for a trader that captured this perfectly. He said that this AI bot for stock trading is fantastic for charting, and that he found numerous impressive AI features here that are not actually available on other charting platforms. So this is exactly its lane. It's a sophisticated, automated charting lab for the technical analyst. So yeah, who are these platforms for? Well, if you're an active trader, especially in day trading or swing trading, who wants the AI to do all the heavy lifting of scanning and signaling and using all the charts to figure things out and to push real-time trade ideas to you, then your match is Trade Ideas. But if you're a technical analyst or a systems trader who wants to automate your chart analysis and to backtest intricate strategies and to validate your own ideas, then take a good look at TrendSpider. All right, next, let's look at what you're actually getting when you sign up for these. So I tested every major tool of both of these AI stock trading bots, and the split here is pretty definitive. It's pretty concrete here between an AI that finds trades for you and can even automate it, and an AI that can speed up the analysis and help you with analyzing charts. So if you believe an AI stock trading bot should generate those ready-to-use trade signals, then Trade Ideas is the real powerhouse. And at its core, the standout here is Holly AI. So this isn't just a simple scanner or something that analyzes trend lines. Holly runs multiple AI strategies simultaneously across the market, ranking opportunities in real time. You can actually see her performance on their Holly Records page, which shows real past signals. It's transparent and it's pretty impressive. One feature I use constantly is the channel bar. It has over 40 pre-built customizable scans for every style: momentum, gap ups, short squeezes, you name it, and it can find it. Then there's TradeWave, an AI-powered trend indicator that paints these clear buy and sell signals right onto your charts. That simplifies trend following dramatically as well, and it uses charts for that. For automation, the Money Machine tool is their end-to-end automated trading engine. It can take a signal from Holly all the way to placing and managing the trade with your broker. That is the complete loop that most platforms don't offer. For validation, the oddsmaker backtesting suite is crucial. You can test just any strategy or even Holly's own signals against recent history to see the win rate and the profit factor to see how that acted, how it was in the past. It builds confidence before you have to risk a single dollar on the current market. And if you want a unique view, the real time stock race is this fun feature that turns market data into a visual race. It helps you spot leads and laggards instantly just on screen. A user review I found on Reddit echoed this depth to the tools, saying that Trade Ideas is a solid platform that scans the market in real time and sends useful alerts. He found the AI genuinely helpful and appreciated the ability to backtest strategies. He also noted the platform was a wealth of charts and indicators and an active community, and while there is a learning curve, his win rate improved significantly after getting used to it. Another trader referred to it as one of the biggest breakthroughs in his trading, stating that it helps him catch every valid setup for his strategy while keeping him disciplined when conditions aren't right. He acknowledged that screen time and knowledge are still essential, but with that foundation, Trade Ideas is a true game changer. All right, next, let's look at TrendSpider's features. Its crown jewel is automated charting and analysis. Draw a trend line or identify a support level on one chart, and their AI replicates it across all time frames. The market scanner is also really robust and it lets you build these detailed scans across multiple time frames. Tools like heat maps automatically identify strong support and resistance zones, which is great for planning trades. And for the strategist, the AI strategies tool and the strategy tester are really deep and functional. You can build conditions and have the AI predict the probability of hitting a profit target before a stop loss. It's great for analysis and is very powerful for systematic traders. Features like stock market gaps and smart watch lists also offer excellent visual discovery and organization. As one user stated, the platform itself is top tier and highly competitive. He emphasized its powerful visualization tools, its customization, trading bots, and AI integration, along with a wide range of alert systems. He found it extremely useful for anyone from scalpers all the way to investors. But when you line up the core features for someone seeking the best AI stock trading bots, in my opinion, I think the distinction is more in immediacy and action. For me, the point of AI is to be able to do it quickly and to find things and to act immediately. And for the active trader who needs signals, not just deeper analysis, which can be a lot slower, Trade Ideas creates a significant gap. It's not just analyzing, it's deciding and alerting and even doing it itself. But of course, no AI in stock trading platforms or otherwise is going to be perfect. You need to know the downsides here. For Trade Ideas, one complaint I've seen revolves around the learning curve and the experience during their test drive. So, this user also felt that some features were restricted and called the interface clunky. And yeah, it's not everything is going to be to everyone's liking, or not every AI choice is going to be a winner. But in my months of testing, I did find the platform is incredibly deep and offers a lot of options. And that can make searching through some menus a bit long. It does naturally mean that it takes some time to master. The interface is packed with data, which can feel overwhelming at first, not just outdated, right? It's not like a feeling of it being too old as much as it just having a lot to go through. Regarding the test drive of this user, it's a limited preview. It's always smart to fully explore any trial before understanding the tools, but you're not going to get everything in a test drive. That's the point. For me, the sheer power of the real-time AI scanning is definitely worth the initial learning investment and the small frustrations with the interface here. Also, the support team and their massive library of tutorials are very responsive if you get stuck, and you can learn a lot from that. For TrendSpider, a common point of friction is complexity. So, one user review stated that he couldn't know how to use the complex system of signals and AI, and he didn't understand it. So, this highlights that TrendSpider is a sophisticated toolkit. Its AI is woven into charting and strategy testing. It's not just presented as simple trade alerts. The platform itself acknowledges this by offering extensive resources like TrendSpider University and one-on-one onboarding to get you up to date and to be able to use these. It's a powerful system, but you need to be prepared to learn it over time. When it comes to pricing for the best AI stock trading bot, Trade Ideas is positioned as a premium tool for serious active traders. You are paying for real time AI scanning and live alerts and automated trade execution capabilities, and that's pretty premium. For a trader whose profits rely on catching these fast moving opportunities, though, I think the value is pretty clear, especially when it comes to the AI's capabilities. TrendSpider also uses a premium subscription model, and that reflects its advanced charting and automation features. It really depends on your style and the type of trader you are. TrendSpider appeals to the dedicated technical analyst. For the latest, most accurate specific pricing and to take advantage of their special right now, check the links in the description below. We keep those links updated so you can get discounted prices on the best AI stock trading bots. So, after all of this testing, where does that leave us? My take is simple. If your primary goal is to leverage AI to find high probability trades in real time, to get clear signals that boost your win rate, and to potentially automate execution itself, my verdict goes to Trade Ideas. If you want to get started and explore their current offers or discounts, use those links in the description below. Check them out to get the best AI stock trading bot at a fraction of its original price.